Hey guys, I just got some direction from McGraw-Hill on how to create subclasses within your ALEKS Open platform. This could be used for 4545, it could also be used for RTI, or any other type of intervention that you would like to do. So here is how you create subclasses within ALEKS. Click on Create a Class, and that's going to open up the entire ALEKS library. Everything you could possibly need for ALEKS. So what they told me, make sure that I see the right ones here. Let's get up there. Okay, so what they said is Tier 3 RTI would be this algebra readiness. It's going to be like a pre-algebra. You could also pick up ALEKS Essentials for Algebra. That pathway is a little shorter than readiness, so you can pick the one that you want to utilize. Tier 2, which is a little higher than Tier 3, is this on-level plus the prep. So these are going to be combined. So they're going to be getting a little more on-level content with those actual numeracy supports embedded within that. So you can pick actually any of these. If you want to look at them and kind of see what they're covering, you could do that as well. You could also utilize High School Foundations 1 and 2. And if you've got a kid that's really, really low, there is a RTI level 3 for middle school, which would give them all that middle school stuff that they might have actually missed during COVID. There's also a math intervention. So again, just looking through this and picking up the ones that you think would be best for your kiddos. But the ones suggested by McGraw-Hill are this algebra readiness and the prep and algebra 1 combined. So let's make that algebra readiness the class. I'm going to call this mock. Subject is algebra. You can also just pick math. It's not a big deal. Pick a start date and an end date, and that's going to lay out that pathway from that start date to that end date. And when I hit complete, I'm going to find that class now listed with all of my other ALEKS classes. To add students to this class, go to the 3 dots, Manage Class Roster. Edit student roster, and now you can hand pick students that you would like to add to that class. I don't know who I'm adding, I'm just clicking on people. So here's my 3 students. You could also create a new student if you wanted, but adding existing students, since everything is already loaded, should not be a problem. Save roster, and now I have created a class with 3 students in it covering that algebra readiness course. This is a really easy way to do your RTI and to keep students continually working on those gaps and that intervention need. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks, guys.